Howdy guys, most of you remember light gun signals and this chart up here when you were studying for your private pilot's license and probably haven't paid much attention to them ever since. Let's go take 1 Bravo Charlie out and see what light guns look like from the tower at day, night, on the ground and in the air, and have a little light gun refresher.
Aurora Tower information, Tango 2352 Zulu, wind 060 at 11, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 11, 2.2, altimeter 3014.
Howdy guys, we're going to taxi out here out of Aurora. We're going to do the light gun signal test. So we're going to see what the light guns look like on the ground, in the air, and both day and night. It'll be a nice little refresher for those of you that haven't seen that since studying for your private pilot, or for those of you that wonder what pilots and controllers do when you lose the radios. Aurora ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is coming out of Skyhaven with Tango. Request taxi for a VFR departure to the west.
771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora ground, runway 9er, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 36 at Alpha, hold short runway 33.
Runway 9 via Alpha, cross 36 at Alpha, and we'll hold short at 331 Bravo Charlie. Ground for 1 Bravo Charlie. Do you have time for a quick one?
1 Bravo Charlie, go ahead.
Yeah, I was trying to test some light gun signals to see what they look like from the plane. Can you shoot me a flashing red and green light gun signal here while we're taxiing out?
1 Bravo Charlie, we'll go.
Thank you.
I guess 1 Bravo Charlie, just let me know when you see something so I can switch.
Will do. Oh wow, look how bright that is. Flashing red. Flashing green. Flashing white. Yeah, that's a lot brighter than I thought it would be for the daytime. When I take off, can I circle the Delta 3 miles away and then you shine that at me again in the daytime and see how it looks from the air?
1 Bravo Charlie, we can try.
Thank you much.
Yeah, these are new ones that we got, and they have like really nice LEDs in the front, so they're super bright compared to the old one. I'll shine the old one at you.
Yeah, I remember having some older ones when I was in the tower. Yeah, the new one is definitely much brighter than the old one. Pretty cool. That was...
Yeah,
Man, I think you could see that from 5 miles away in the daytime.
I've been a pilot for 35 years, and that's the first time I've seen the lights that ever. Yeah. That was cool.
Yeah.
But this is really good to know what to do when you lose your comms and what do you need to squawk and what do those signals mean. When it actually happens, you got an emergency, it's not a good time to try to figure that out.
Yeah.
I used to have a little clipboard that told me what the light signals were because you always forget.
Go through what they mean real quick, and we'll throw the chart up here maybe too. So on the ground.
Yeah, so we got solid green. In the air means
clear to land.
Clear to land. On the ground.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right. Flashing green in the air.
Return for landing?
Return for landing is correct. Flashing green on the ground.
Is cleared to taxi.
Also correct, man. This guy's good. Red and green alternating in the air.
That means exercise extreme caution for both, I think.
That's right.
Which we always do.
Red in the air.
Red in the air. That means continue circling?
That's right. Give way to other traffic and continue circling.
Okay.
And on the ground?
Stop. Solid red.
Solid red on the ground.
Yeah,
stop. Flashing red in the air.
That means airport unsafe, do not land.
And flashing red on the ground?
Return to starting point?
Taxi clear of the runway in use.
Taxi clear of the runway.
I would call that a 98 percentile, what you got right there.
Crossing 3-3, clear both ways. Yeah, that's nice to dust off that out of the old memory bank. Tower Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is holding short at 9, and we're going to take 1 lap around the Delta to try to get light gun signals, 3 to 4 miles away left turn if that's okay, and then we'll go out to the west VFR.
1 Bravo Charlie Tower, runway 9er, the Remos is just departed, is northwestbound, left turn out approved, clear for takeoff.
Runway 9, clear for takeoff, 1 Bravo Charlie.
06012.
Alright, do you still see the Remos?
I do not have the Remos in sight.
Oh, I do. There he
Got
goes. Off cross one. All right.
Oh, I
Lined
got
up
him.
on the runway. Power's going to come up to 1700. Then we're going to get the mixtures going full rich.
All right, engine instruments are green. Good to go.
Release the brakes. Bringing the power in. All right. Gauges in the green. Fuel flows look good. Airspeed's alive. 70, 80, 90. Rotate. Tap the brakes. You're coming up. Climbing out of blue line. Gear stowed.
If you're going to come in, Nordo, as Kevin says, or no radios, you're not going to come in at pattern altitude in the circle. You want to come in at least 500 foot above pattern altitude in the circle. You're not going to, so you stay out of everybody else's way.
Yeah.
This 1 Bravo Charlie, just advise when you'd like the light gun signals. And traffic is about 15 miles southwest of the airport, 2,200 inbound, runway 9er.
1 Bravo Charlie, we'll go, copy all.
Oh, your EX500 shows a traffic?
Yeah, it's tied into my
I love this plane.
active traffic.
This 1 Bravo Charlie, there is traffic at your 12 o'clock and 2 miles westbound, 3,000 Remos.
1 Bravo Charlie, search it. We'll take the light gun signal now if you can.
Oh, I just saw it.
Flashing green. Wow.
Wow, that is bright.
Flashing red. And flashing white. Man, that's a lot brighter in the daytime than we thought. Thank you very much, guys. We'll probably do that again at nighttime and see how far out we can see it when we come back.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, roger. You're welcome.
Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is outside of Wolf for a full stop landing. And whenever you get a chance, could you try to shine the light gun towards us? We're going to see if we can see it.
Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, Wilco, and showing you just outside of Wolf.
Oh, 1 Bravo Charlie, we see it alternating red and green. Thank you much.
You're welcome. Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 9er, clear to land.
1 Bravo Charlie, clear to land, runway 9. Did you see that?
I never saw it.
Hey, can you do the light gun one more time, please?
I got it. Wow, that's hard at night.
Yeah,
because there's other lights down there, it blends in, right? And we're not, you know, we're...
Perfect, we see it. It is actually a little harder at night because it kind of blends into everything else, but we got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here, there's like some white lights in front of the tower that I think are the lights on the hangars.
Yeah.
So it made it a lot harder to see. That's interesting, though. An exercise I've never been through in 35 years.
Yeah, that's interesting that it was a little bit harder to see.